Alright, hey, what you seen? So this is Jay and I just doing a quick update on the IBS Hunter. Just to kind of go over what happened for the last 4 months, right? So it would show us 5 months because we took a trade the end of August, but it really started trading from September. So if we kind of just quickly look at the settings, we use super smoother of 40 and the exit value is 0.84 and it was entering the trades at 0.21 and at 0.35 because remember we're using a single bar IBS and a 2-bar IBS. I didn't get time to code in the RSI IBS as yet, but it would be done in the future at some time. So how I did it, you can see the green arrows are where the single bar IBS kicked in, and then the 2-bar is this maroon color, and then the red triangle is the close. So it took a single bar here, then a 2-bar, a 2-bar, a single, a 2, a single, and it closed here for a profit. Then we came down. I am not too sure why this bar didn't show here, but it closed at this point. Then we didn't have any trades for a while. I took a single, close here, took a single, close here, took a single. So you see it does a pretty good job at like almost picking the bottom before having a short move up. So all of these were single. Now this was the last trade that we have here, and the reason I actually manually took this off and you don't see the red bar is at the same time I was running this bot, which I coded in, and it constantly like open and close trades in this short period of time for a loss, and that was because how the other bot was designed. It closes the trade based off of the equity of the account. Once the equity is positive, it just close the trade. And because the IBS took this position here and it went up, it was in positive territory. I think it was up like about 2%. And because it was up 2%, as soon as the other bot opened the trade, it did the calculation for the equity and it closed the trade. And if you know, just thinking about it, if you open a trade and you close the trade instantly, you will pay the cost of the spread. So it's only after I noticed that and then I switch the IBS off, I manually close the position and then switch it off. So that is why it doesn't have the triangle here. And so this started back trading. So yeah, this is the other bot. I would go in depth into this. This is one that took the account up by 38% in the last 9 days. So I'll go into this in another video. But yeah, for the IBS, this is the performance over the last 5 months or so. It made about 26%, and it's not doing too bad. So I think I would put this on an account by itself, a separate profile, so no other bots will be trading on it, and then I'll just let this run. Right, so that is it for this video. In the next video I would go over in depth the new bot that I am working on. Is the Renko hedge. You can see I didn't even build a proper HUD. I just kind of fleshed this out really rough just to see how things working. So I'll go over this in our next video. So that's it for now, guys. See you on the next one.